Now on to making it so that your track is in the left ear, right ear for the students. So if you look over here, you'll see that right now everything is left and right centered. All you have to do here is put your piano track, slide it all the way to the left ear, and slide your choral track to the right ear. And if you put your earphones in now, you'll hear the choir in the right ear and the piano in the left ear. What I like to do is I like to pull down probably about -3 on the choir, and I push up about 1 or 2 on mine, because what I really want them to hear is their part being played with the choir. If they want to hear the choir alone, all they got to do is take their left earphone out. So that's all you need to do. This is where you edit and amplify and de-amplify and do whatever you need to that track before you're done with it. And the last step is just exporting it. And the way I export it is this. I say export audio. I choose MP3 file. You can make a WAV file too. MP3 is the smallest compression, which is great. I always call it whatever it is. So I would call this soprano, can't buy me love. And actually I would put this like measures 1 through 22 of soprano, can't buy me love. And then I'll put them all in a folder together and do it that way. All right, so that's how I export it. You say save, and the next part is it'll give you these. This is called ID tags. If they were going to put this into iTunes, this is what iTunes or Media Player or whatever sees when it looks for artist name and track title and stuff like that. And if you're ever in iTunes, you can see that all that stuff shows up right here, name, artist, and stuff like that. So that's what those are if you want to fill them in. I generally just clear them out because the kids just listen to them on their phone or on their computer anyway. You say okay, and then it'll export to whatever file you put it in.